So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your eToro account. Now, if you don't already have an eToro account, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. Helps support out the channel, but it gets you right into being able to sign up. So let's go ahead and jump over here onto the computer so you can follow along step by step. So very easily, we're going to draw an arrow all the way to the bottom left side of the screen over here where you can see it says deposit funds. So we're going to go ahead and click on here, and it's going to bring up a few different things that we want to talk about. So first and foremost, it automatically shows you $50, but of course you can go ahead and put in whatever amount works best for you. And then it shows payment method right over here next. You have three different options. You got cards, you got ACH, which is essentially connecting to your bank, or you got a wire transfer. Now, wire transfers do require over $500. So today we're going to do an ACH payment, which then goes ahead and shows you all the different banks that you can choose from, or you can click on all other banks here at the bottom right. Once you clicked over there, you're going to see that you can type in your bank at the very top if you want to make it very easy, or you'll see some of the most popular banks right over here that you could just go ahead and click through. So you can go ahead and log into your bank. So this is going to require your username and your password for your bank to be able to log in. Now, this is with a secure network, so it is being able to instantaneously connect your account so you can have your money start working for you right away. So from right here, I'm going to go ahead and plug in my information. So once we went ahead and logged into our bank, it added it right over here for us so we can go ahead and make a deposit. So what we're going to do is click on add account down right over here at the bottom right. And now it gives us the option to go ahead and click on the deposit button right over here so that $50 can go ahead and go through. It takes you to this confirmation page to show you that you have your $50 deposited, which actually goes into your account right away. Now, I want you to learn how to buy your first security on eToro, so check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.